Check out this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, premium cloth seat trim, Victory Red, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing speed flex fuel with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled, wheels, 418 inches x 8, 45.7 cm x 20.3 cm, aluminum, tires, P265/65R18 off-road, white outline letter, suspension package, off-road and the trailering package, heavy duty. Call 706-733-9411 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.